What's up, guys? Welcome back to Moto Therapy. If you're new here, smash that like button and subscribe for new videos every week. Today's video is brought to you by our channel sponsor, Exado, the social marketplace built for car, truck, and bike lovers to buy, sell, and bid on rides and parts. Launching August 1st. Join the waitlist at the first link in our description.
Huh?
Look at the fucking bar, buddy.
Yeah, it sounds like a horrible time.
Huh? So, I'm glad you want to use crosswalks now. I'm glad you want to use crosswalks now.
Yeah, my bad.
669. So here's my thing. I'll be out with 3, 5, 8, and 6th Avenue. 4. So here's my thing. Okay. Half of y'all don't even have lights. Okay. You guys aren't following the rules of the road. Okay. You guys aren't stopping at stop signs. You guys are weaving in and out of traffic. You're going around cars illegally. And then I yell, get on the right side of the road. You guys are still just doing this.
I didn't hear you, sorry.
Okay, you guys got IDs on y'all?
Yeah.
So, we want you guys to obviously, enjoy your night, but dude, you guys can't be just going around cars like nothing.
Yeah.
Okay? Okay. Where you guys head to?
We're just headed back home.
Alright, give me a second, let me look at a couple things.
Okay.
Do you guys got lights for these, or?
Yeah, I got a light on.
He's got
Well,
the front lights. They don't have back lights. I'm the only one with the
You're the
back
only one
light.
with the back light? Okay. You guys know the rules of the road, right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Alright.
It was bound to happen eventually.
Yeah, we were running like dumbasses.
Yeah.
I'm in danger.
What's your address?
One word. I'll show you.
It's Parker 80134 probably.
It's right by Shop.
Gotcha. What's your phone number?
My phone number or
Yeah.
like my dad's?
For you.
When I turn 15, I'm gonna get one
15, you're gonna do the
for a
permit
motorcycle license. Yeah.
Okay. Gotcha. So has anybody come and talked to you about like e-bikes and what's allowed and what's not?
Not here.
Here? Where? Like in Florida?
No, in Virginia. My parents are split, and I have 2 bikes there.
Oh, okay. Gotcha.
Are they like not allowed?
Yeah. So I'm gonna guess yours aren't allowed because you just have pegs. No
Yeah.
like pedals or anything. So depending on what it is with this, I'm gonna guess this is considered an off-highway vehicle.
Yeah, I always ride on the sidewalk. I usually don't go fast. I was just running late.
Gotcha. Even on sidewalks, so in Douglas County has decided that they don't want any e-bikes on the sidewalks either.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, I did not know that.
Yeah. So they're asking us to contact you guys, let you know. I didn't see you riding crazy. I mean, you were riding fine.
I was
when it
riding a
comes
little
to-
fast. I don't usually ride that fast.
And
I'm
there's
sorry.
nobody here, so like I'm not super concerned about that. What I don't
Yeah.
want is, you know, you get caught up in something silly.
Yeah, I mean, I don't run though. Like, a lot of my friends run. I don't.
Yeah. Well, I appreciate that. Like you stopped for me, so
Yeah.
you know, I'm not trying to jam you up with anything, but I'd like to educate and let you know kind of what you're potentially facing if you do get caught with this thing. Okay.
Okay.
So if you wouldn't mind, just hang out here for a second. I'm gonna go take a look at just a little reference thing that I have, and I'll let you know what this is probably considered and what you.
I think it's a class. I think over 50 is class 3. Or
50, but I think it has to have pedals.
oh yeah, I think so too.
So-
I'm not sure.
Let me go take a look and I'll let you know. Okay.
Okay. Call him. I got pulled over. I'm pulled over right now. Yeah, right by the light. I got the light. Yeah, no, the amp hours is miles. The voltage is the speed. I think 60. Might be cooked to the chat. I know. Yeah, he pulled over some dude on the car. I'm coming. I'm going like 40, and then he just says, hey, yeah, maybe 30. He yelled at me to stop, so I stopped. Just stay there. It's almost done. Good thing I got my GoPro. Yeah, I've been started recording that. I called you through Siri. I called you through Siri. Yeah, I'll just bleep it out. You're good. Alright, can you hang up, please? It's right here, but it doesn't say anything. Yeah, I'll take off the seat. It doesn't say anything. It's just the battery. It's a 60 volt though.
60 volt?
It's the ETM RTR light.
Okay, so it's a 60 volt, but just like 20 amp hours -ish?
It's a 25. That amp hours is mileage, so like it's like 20 miles I get.
Gotcha. Yeah, because it's telling me there's like 60 and 20 and 80 something and 25.
Oh yeah, so amp hours is like mileage. Voltage is like this top speed, so like a 72 volt, it's probably like 50. 60 volt max 50, but this one the motor can't push that much, so I think it goes like 40 max. But I'm too scared to get that speed. Yeah, especially on dirt tires.
Yeah, I wouldn't do that either.
Yeah, I just took this to IMI.
You did?
Yeah.
All right, well, here's what I'm gonna do. I think, based on the classification, this is an off-highway vehicle.
Yeah.
So it can't even ride on the sidewalks in Douglas County. You have to go to like an official.
This is Douglas County.
Yeah. An official dirt track or
Private property?
Yeah, private property, something like that.
Okay.
So, like if people are doing reckless, stupid stuff on them, we impound them. Like we'll take your bike and you have to give it back.
How much would impound be? Like,
When we impound, the impound fee to start is like $200 some odd.
Really?
Yep. Plus you pay for storage every day that's there.
oh really? Okay.
So you don't want that. I don't want that for you today either.
Yeah.
What we can do is you can call somebody to come pick up the bike, like a parent or something, and send it back home.
Can I walk it home?
So you can do my shop.
No, but I could go to my friend's house. She's over there, like right over there.
How are you gonna get it home from there?
My dad will pick me up because he's at work right now, and my mom doesn't have the truck, so.
Gotcha.
Can I walk with her?
Is your mom home?
No.
Is she available via phone?
I think she's on taxes right now, so I don't think so.
Is your dad available via phone? Here's what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna write you a warning. So no court, no fine, anything like that.
And that's a wrap on this one. If you enjoyed today's video, smash that like button, hit subscribe so you never miss a daily drop. And if you want to rep the moto lifestyle, head over to mototherapy.shop and cop some fire merch to support us. We appreciate every single one of you. And until next time.